And sincerely, single sisters that are trusting God for a life partner, if you see a man who lacks drive, don't go for him. Don't go for a man that lacks drive. Because he will not even be driven to pursue God. The man lacks drive, is watching TV, everybody is fasting, he's asking you to boil egg and make bread for him. Not for me, it's a red flag. It's a red flag. A single brother, you're in a relationship, he's not sick, he doesn't have ulcer, he doesn't have anything. They say, we are waiting upon the Lord. Then he's eating. I say, bro, why? He say, well, I try, I no fit. 9 a.m., you no fit. You should ask yourself, can this one be a covering for you to put your head under? Huh? With the umbrella not tear, this umbrella don't tear. He cannot play with his stomach at all. That's mediocrity. He doesn't have a job. Yes, he's not applying anywhere. He said, I've not seen any advert. Say, if you see some send, lack of drive, lack of zest, that's not contentment, sir. That is a mediocre. But contentment, say, Father, I give you praise. I have my CVs in 100 places. I've applied to 1,000 places. I'm trusting you for whatever comes through. Aha! We know that this one is talking.